Welcome back to Not Real Fishing, everybody, and we are at a little, I don't know, drainage ditch, I guess is the word for it. There's a little creek that runs under the river, under the road here, and I've never actually stopped and looked at it, but normally there's almost no water in it. I don't know if there's going to be fish in here, but it looks like there might be a dam, and then maybe it continues further on. We're going to try to fish this side. I don't know about under there. It looks kind of shallow, but we're probably going to put on like a little top water, and we're going to start on this side to see if there's anything there, and then we'll work our way down the creek if there's anything to work our way towards. So this might be a really short video or a really long one. Well, we're about to find out. So I'm gonna change my fly and we'll get this going. We're gonna start with just this little dry fly here. The camera would focus on a little bit, it'd be nice. Just a little dry fly here. I do see some pretty big bubbles coming from over here, and it is possible there could be like a big old, you know, green sunfish or bluegill living here. We're about to find out. Never thought I'd say this, but there's fish back here. I don't know what they are, but there's fish. Let's see what we got. This is, what is this? You fish identification guys out there, let me know. What is this? Is this a spotted sunfish? Is that what this is? I don't know. Look at the pretty green on him. Beautiful little guy. We're gonna let him go right here. Go ahead. Look at him just chilling in the water there. That's so cool. Oh, he's gone now. What do y'all think? Spotted sunfish? It's the first time ever catching one of those. Oh, we got another one. It's like the same species. What do y'all think? I'm seriously thinking spotted sunfish here. Or dollar sunfish, is that what it's called? I'm not exactly sure. Alright, let's get him back in the water. Here you go, little guy. Nope. Not the release I was going for, but the release that he got. Now, what I was originally going to do when I came over here was fish the creek that runs underneath the road, but it doesn't really appear to be a creek so much as just, you know, little water thing. But I wonder if we can get to the other side. Maybe there's something worth catching over there. 'Cause I've never been, because the other side is covered by big tall trees, but if we go underneath the road, maybe we can get there without, you know, because it looks like it's fairly shallow running through here. So as long as there's no, it's probably going to be super slippery. How slippery is it? Oh, it's not bad. What do y'all think? Should we go check it out? Y'all think this is sketchy or what? Big old frog just scared the crap out of me. But it looks like we got some water. Don't know how we're gonna fish it. Yeah. No real way to fish this one. I guess we'll go back to the other side. That looks like it'd be a good spot if we could get a good cast, but we can't really cast here because if you look up, there's trees everywhere. This rod's a little too long for that. And I have it in its shortest function. I have a shorter rod, but I didn't bring it down here with me. But we can fish this in a future time. But now we know, we can go back. And we can try that puddle again. And if we catch something, we catch something. If we don't, I mean, we got two, but I'm assuming to be spotted and or dollar sunfish. And then, so now we're kind of on the other side. Maybe we can see if this creek continues on and gets bigger on the other side of this little, like a little dam embankment kind of thing. Maybe it gets bigger over here. We have a more open side to fish it here too. If we can get over these rocks without breaking our neck. Come right here. There's way less trees on this side. Maybe we can increase our hookup chances. All right, guys, we're gonna climb up out of this hill on our way back up. As we do, I just wanna say that if you're ever doing this kind of stuff, be very careful. I think this is a game trail we're walking through from deer and stuff. If you're ever walking through these kind of bushes and stuff, sorry guys, didn't mean to just randomly cut off the footage there, but we made it to the top of the hill. But what I was saying is you always want to wear high top boots if you're walking through that kind of grass, or some sort of snake-proof protection, because you never know, copperheads, moccasins, whatever snakes you have in your area could be in this tall grass. If you've seen Jurassic Park, you know what happens when you're in the tall grass. So yeah, just be careful. But I might fish the ponds in front of my house for a little bit. Maybe once I cool down. It's super hot out here, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get that started, and I'll catch y'all up at the water again. All right, guys, as promised, we have left the that little mud puddle. It's been a few hours. We were out there around 1 and we left around 2. It's now currently about 5:30. Figured we'd go ahead and fish these little ponds for a few minutes. We're fishing with is a little green, kind of kabari style thing. I guess you could call it a kabari, not really. It's just a green. It's kind of like an ant, but rounded off on both ends. Little green sunfish. Not too big, not too small. Definitely bigger ones in here than that, we know. We've caught them. Unless, of course, somebody else has come out here and caught them and killed them or something. Another nice little green sunfish. Still not the biggest ones we've caught out of these little ponds, but we're gonna let him go either way. And he's sort of off. There you go. He's looking the wrong way. There he goes. He was trying to swim the wrong way. So far, what we found here is white works good. Green is working pretty good so far. None of the really big ones yet, so maybe not as good as some of them. We know the natural colors work, but they work just about everywhere. That was big, guys, whatever that was. Bent our hook out. That felt like a big old bass. Maybe there are bass in here, like we've been told. Changing our presentation a little bit since we got that nice sized bite and then lost it. So we're gonna change over to this white body, a little bit of peacock coral, and then some chicken feather at the front. And hopefully this will be a little bit bigger of a presentation and a little bit stronger of a hook as well. And we have a better chance of holding on to it. Plus it being a different color might make it want to bite again. Fish aren't that stupid. I mean, they are, but... Little guy. He ate it. Another little greenie. I think what we might have caught earlier, the thing that we lost, may have been one of the bigger green sunfish. We're gonna let this little guy go. He's on his way. Look, guys, another green sunfish. Another little greenie. I'll let him go. Kind of have to throw them because when I throw them in the grass here, they kind of get stuck. So I throw him a little bit. But he ate that quick. But it's also getting close to the end of the evening. Right when tiny little guy, but caught by the mouth. He's absolutely tiny. little booger. I'm gonna let him go as well. Now, I've always wondered why there's never any... I don't really catch much on this side. I always catch more on the other side. And I've always wondered why there's never anything over here by this big drainage outlet. It just seems so perfect. We got another nice sized green sunfish stuck in the muck. This might be the biggest one of the day. Yeah, biggest one of the day so far. I think it was probably one of these, but bigger. Earlier that we hooked, and he just pulled us off. Went around that branch that's over there. If I had to guess. There is a big sunken branch on that side. There we go. I think he's probably close to the biggest one of the day. Not the biggest one I've caught out of here, but biggest one of the day so far. Sorry, I can't walk too much further because the ground is covered in goop. And it's sinky. But I gotta get all this goop off my line now. There's a little spot right here of this algae that just always screams fish to me. Told you, always screams fish to me. I knew there'd be one over there. Just too perfect. Big old patch of algae, nothing next to it. Probably more than one, hopefully. Man, you're hooked. Still not the biggest one of the day, but still a cute little green sunfish, nonetheless. Another little greenie. Can almost see through him with the sun. Oh, well, I think we're gonna call it here, guys. Might do another 1 or 2 casts, but I think that's gonna be it for this video. If y'all enjoyed the video, you know the usual: like, comment, share, subscribe, and maybe we can get one more. Ooh, it's a nice size fish.